Hi guys, another day, another route. Today we are in Fresnedo, which is a village that belongs to the Council of Teberga in Asturias, the north of Spain. And we are going to do a very interesting route because we will have the chance to see cave paintings made in the Bronze Age, and I will tell you everything about that in the way there. By the looks of it, these cave people were jolly good climbers, because goodness, this is quite a steep. Guys, did you see how the colors of the trees are changing? I hope you can appreciate it in the camera, because they are getting this between green, brown and orangey color, which is so beautiful. Definitely autumn is awesome. I guess that means we are in the right path. Well, I just saw a herd of goats. See if I can zoom in to show it to them. I don't want to do it when I am up there because I may scare them. And I don't want to do that. See? Well, as you can see, there are oak trees in this area. I can assure you, if you drop down from there, it's going to be pretty difficult to go back. Look at the drop over there. I don't see the end of it. Okay guys, according to this, the figure that we are just seeing is the figure of a human female in the form of a cross. It's around 20 centimeters, and there is like a decoration in the hair that is represented by a small horizontal line with a dot above. It says the sex is represented by a circle that closes the lower part. Well, you take your own conclusions. Apparently that is a woman. Oh well. Well guys, I've been trying to find the other paintings that are supposed to be around this area, and I cannot find them for the life of me. And I am using a GPS signal with a route marking it, and I cannot find them. The fog is going down, or is coming down. I need to have a really quick lunch because I am starving. I will keep trying to find those paintings and show them to you, but it may be possible that I cannot find them. So I apologize in advance. Meanwhile, just a couple of comments about the route. I wouldn't personally bring children to this route. It's quite steep, it's very rocky, and they can hurt their ankles very easily because of the shape of the rocks. Be ready to climb a lot. be ready for a lot of sweating. Bring a walking stick, that will help you a lot. And also hope you enjoy the content. Do not forget to subscribe if you do so, because it will help the channel a lot. And as always, I hope life is giving you plenty of reasons to smile, and if it doesn't, please keep fighting, because it's a matter of time. So until the next video, see you soon. Guys, do you see that bit down there? Well, that's another of the paintings. So we're going to have a look down there. But then I saw those caves up there, and I thought, I'm going to have a look before I go down there. So let's see if we can get to that point and have a look around before we go home. As you can see, it really doesn't worth the effort. As you can see, the cave is too narrow to go inside really. I don't even know what is in there, but it's probably, it seems to be blocked. For what I can see from here, it's kind of blocked, so it would be pointless to go there anyway. Oh well, at least the views are nice. Look at that. And right, let's see what it says here. Okay, that's supposed to be a goat or some sort of goat thing. It says goat, or from the family of the goat, looking at the right, 12 centimeters of length, including the tail, and 10 centimeters from the tip of the horns to the end of the rear or front legs. Between the rear legs there is a vertical line that does not connect to the rest of the body and could be interpreted like a sexual differentiation. Well, let's see it. Let's go and see the real thing. So that's supposed to be a goat then. Well, let's have a look at the real thing then. I'm intrigued. Right, where is it? I cannot see it. Let's have a look. Crikey, I don't see a thing here. Oh, it's almost erased. That is very... I'm sorry. I must be blind like a bat. Holy, it's just right there. Let me show you. Right, I couldn't see it for the life of me, but indeed that thing is, I guess, it's what it says it is. I don't know if somebody's taking the mickey, because that doesn't look like the image I saw just in the right. I hope it's not some idiot painting something there with the shape of a house and a dolmen or something. Well guys, this is one of the reasons why you need a GPS. Not only because this place is difficult to find, but also because unfortunately these posts indicating the directions to the different places are pretty much gone. I could attempt to put them back together, but I wouldn't really know where exactly each of those directions go or are meant to be. Right, the unbelievable happened. It seems that we have a herd of goats, which I wonder if those are the ones I found when I was up in the mountain. It's like a meeting of goats. Jeez. And they are all there. I mean, it's unbelievable. Hello. No. I don't want to. I don't want to scare you. You see that? You see that? I was going back to the car and I found these guys here in this picnic area. What are they doing here? I don't know.